Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a spring manicure with flowers. So look at that, it's beautiful, isn't it? So if you like it, please leave it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. First, I'm gonna apply my base coat. This is the first base from Issey to protect my natural nail and to make my manicure last longer. Then I'm gonna apply liquid latex just to protect my nails from the colors. And I'm gonna be using the CirColors Hedonist, Retail Therapy, and Super Freak. These are neon colors, especially for spring. I'm gonna be using a sponge and I'm gonna mix them all together to get a nice color on my nail. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect because the idea is that we have some darker spots, some lighter spots, and that you can also see the three colors that you mixed. So I'm gonna be doing a second coat just to get more opacity into my nails, and then a third coat to finish this look. Now, to make the cleanup process easier, I'm gonna start with a piece of Scotch tape and just getting all the excess of polish that got on my skin. And then just for the details, I'm gonna be using the cleanup brush because it gives me more precision. So I'm just gonna work around those edges. And I also like to use a toothpick or an orange stick, just wrap it into a little bit of cotton just to clean up the rest of the polish. And now that my nails are clean, I'm gonna apply this dry fast top coat just to smooth out the surface and get ready for the next step, that's stamping. And I'll be applying the liquid latex for a second time. The stamping plate for today is What's Up Nails B018 and this flower design. I'm gonna be using the Twinkle Tea Stamper and black nail polish. This is stamping polish, but it can also work with a very pigmented black polish or another color. And I'm gonna be stamping the design in all my nails by repeating the process in each one of them. When I finish with one nail, I like to remove immediately the liquid latex. And as you see, it takes off almost all the excess polish on my skin, and I just have to do a little bit of cleanup after, but it's not as messy as it would be without the liquid latex. So that's why I like it so much. Now I just have to do a little bit of cleanup, in this case with a toothpick and just a little bit of cotton. And using the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat, I'm gonna seal this manicure. And I always like to add a second coat of this dry fast top coat just to finish the look. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!